What is the most effective way to create passive income? Are there better investment options than the stock market? In Canada, let's see how alternative investments can lead you to your desired financial goals much faster than investing in banking products or the stock market. I'll also share a few of my important math takeaways at the end of the video and share a free book on investing in Canada. Investors in Canada have already appreciated the profitability of private equities. For example, the Tiger 21 community for sophisticated investors already gives preference to private equities over public ones. Why? Let's figure it out. So, my name is Dmytro Khozin and I'm a licensed dealing representative of the Waverly Exempt Market Dealer. Briefly about alternative investments. What are private equities? Their main difference from public shares is that they are not traded on the stock market, and companies issuing private shares are not required to regularly report to the market regulator. Waverly is an award-winning securities dealer established in 2012. The company strives to democratize private equity by sourcing institutional quality, real estate and private equity opportunities and structuring them for the retail market. What are the benefits of investing in private equities? First, very high risk-adjusted returns. We want our clients to make more money for a given level of risk and ideally take less risk compared with the stock market. Second, protection of the principal. This is paramount in any investment we consider. Third, security. All of our investments have real assets providing downside protection. Number 4, cash flow. Many of our investments can provide significant monthly or quarterly cash flow. Number 5, low volatility. Our investments have low or no correlation to the public market. Take a look at this chart of the US stock market returns, S&P 500. It's compiled taking into account the inflation rate. And here you can see that if you purchase shares in a bad year at the peak, you can spend 5 to 10 years just for the investment to return its original value. Private equities generally only grow, which provides annual returns and the advantage of an investment period of less than 10-20 years. Number 6. You can use special accounts, tax-free savings account, RRSP, RESP and RRIF. Accounts that help investors pay less taxes. Number 7. I also like the fact that by investing in the private stocks that Waverly offers, I'm investing in the Canadian economy. In the case of stocks, most people invest in the US stocks, and it seems to me that this market is pretty overheated. In addition, the private market is a sleep-well investment. You don't waste time and don't get nervous checking the price of your portfolio every morning. Let's look at examples of alternative investments. One of the companies we work with is Mortgage Company of Canada. This company provides mortgage loans for residential real estate in Ontario. It targets a fixed monthly income of 10.50% per annum. The company has $947 million under management. The LTV, loan-to-value, that is, the loan amount in relation to the mortgaged property, is 72.9%, an excellent option for investors who want to receive monthly passive income. When reinvesting monthly payment, the yield targets to 11.02% per annum, way better than banks. Number 2. Peer 4 targets investors 8% interest monthly, plus, additionally, with historical average capital growth of 3 to 7% per year. The targeted return for the investor is about 12 to 15% per annum. Investing in REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust, in Canada has become more profitable and easy than buying real estate by yourself and renting it out personally. Professionals buy, renovate and manage much more efficiently. In addition, you own a share in a large number of real estate, diversifying the risks of any isolated trouble such as a fire or a bad tenants. Another example is development companies engaged in real estate construction. For example, the North America Home Finance Company is now offering investors to invest money for 3 years with a targeted return of 55%, Of course, higher returns may be attractive, but in construction there may be delays associated with obtaining permits or when you put in the house into operation, so you need to be prepared for the fact that income may be paid later than promised. However, if you do not plan to use the money for a long time, development companies may be a good option for increasing it. To diversify and improve portfolio returns, more and more Canadian investors are choosing alternative investments. Do you want to know more about current investments available on the market? Book a free appointment with me and we will select the best options for you according to your request. And now a couple of secrets. First, how to get a good income. Suppose you invest 1,000 monthly for 15% annum. Over 10 years, you will earn $264,000, of which interest will be $143,000. What do you think if the term is 3 times longer, 30 years? How much will you earn? Answer: the amount will be 20 times greater, 5,632,000. Moreover, the interest will amount to 5,271,000. What's the conclusion? There is no need to wait until you can invest tens of thousands of dollars. Start with hundreds or thousands of dollars today. Just do it regularly, and then power of compound interest and time will make you wealthy. Want another secret? Number 2. It's important to devote time to investing, to understand the terms, risks, and profitability. After all, the difference, for example, in your results over 30 years with returns of 12% and 15% is almost 2 times. If at 15% it is $5,632,000, then at 12% it is just $3,081,000. So, conclusion: better returns can give you the passive income you need many times faster. I invest quite a lot by myself, received specialized financial education and the appropriate license, and will be happy to help you achieve your financial goals faster and with less risk. Want to start investing? Book your appointment here. And want to know more? Download the free book How Canadians Become Wealthy from the link in the description of this video. Did you find this video useful? Subscribe and share with your friends. I would be happy to help you in achieving your financial goals. Remember, everything is possible.